Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I thought I'd show you my custom Ric Ollie minifigure in a different format to how I normally do. If you like this format, let me know and I'll keep doing it. I certainly like how it looks so far. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. The first minifigure that you're going to want in this tutorial is any minifigure with red legs and red arms. Then you'll want a LEGO Batman minifigure, and the reason you'll want this one is for its belt. For the torso, the closest thing I had was Robin from the LEGO Batman movie. The head of the minifigure comes from Marty McFly. And finally, the hair for the minifigure comes from Peter Venkman. To create his jacket, I cut out some red card in the scale of a minifigure, and I think this works quite well. But now we have all the parts that we need, let's move on and see what the finished figure looks like. Here he is. I think this minifigure turned out quite well. I used one of the silver pistols for his blaster. I got mine in the Mandalorian Forge set, but I think it came in a few other things. I do think that there's probably better torsos out there, I just haven't found them yet. And yeah, overall, I think this custom turned out great. But thank you for watching today's video, I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any ideas for any future minifigures you'd like to see me try and make, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you're not subscribed, I encourage you to do so. And with that said, thank you for watching today. I'll see you soon.